Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. Now today's video is a Tod's unboxing slash review video of the world famous loafers. Now if you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Rahma and I do men's fashion and beauty videos. So if you like that kind of stuff, then please make sure you're subscribed to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram, where I always post fashion content and also beauty content in general there as well. So definitely come over on Instagram and check out my page. Now, so Tod's. Let's talk about Tod's. The box is just in here, and Tod's is one of my kind of brands that I really look up to. I always check the page regularly, like whatever they have new, and I always wanted to own a pair of loafers from them. So for me, if you think of good quality pair of loafers, I would definitely suggest Tod's. Tod's has been always there, and always I've heard of good things about Tod's. So Tod's was something that was always on my wish list, and I always wanted to get something from Tod's. And I really like their shoes. Their shoes and the loafers particularly are something I always gravitate to, I always look up to, and I finally hit the bullet. And let me just stop talking and just show you guys what I have picked up. And let me just open it. I did open it obviously before, but it's just the purpose of this video for you guys to see as well. So it comes in this amazing orange box, as always with Tod's. So you have the dust bags, which I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. So you have the dust bags inside, you get 2 of those, you get a little card, which I'm gonna show you later as well. And are you guys ready? Now guess which color I got. It's a classic color. I mean, with classic colors, we can't get wrong. So the shoes that I got are these babies. Let me just take them out. There we go. These are the Tod's loafers that I got recently, and I am so obsessed with these. They look absolutely amazing. This is the perfect pair of loafers. I always wanted a pair of classic black leather loafers from Tod's. There's nothing else that you can want basically. They look absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to wear them, and the quality of these feel and look just high quality craftsmanship, made in Italy, and the leather smells amazing. You know, when a pair of shoes and the leather is so soft and so genuine that you can smell the Italian leather, and I cannot wait to wear them. Now these, let me just get the box. These are the so these are called the Gomma Leggero, and these are the 51 pairs or size, I guess. It's called the Gomma Leggero, and I got mine in a black leather, and I'm so obsessed, and I'm so loving how they look. They look really high quality, and I cannot wait to wear them. As I showed you guys, it also comes with a nice dust bag from Tod's. I love these dust bags. They are really good for traveling and so on. So these are really nice cotton material in a nice kind of dark brownish color. They say Tod's, and you get 2 of these in a box when you purchase a pair of Tod's. And also you get a care card from Tod's, and inside it says that clean with a soft dry cloth, delicately apply a neutral or colored cream, allowing to dry well before brushing. And it also says if you get kind of these kind of stains or these kind of like marks that sometimes with leather shoes you get, just brush them off very easily, and it's easily to be removed. So this is what it says in the care card. And as I said, it comes with the dust bag as well, and doesn't come with a shoehorn. Some shoes come with a shoehorn, but you can request it or you have to purchase them separately, whereas this one didn't come with a shoehorn. Now I got mine in a size 8, which is my UK true size, and they fit perfectly. They're, as I said, made in Italy, and I'm gonna do some close-ups of the shoes itself. You guys can see how they look. They are very beautifully done. Like the front of this has very nice kind of stitching going on, which makes a very nice detail, and it has the Tod's logo at the front of the loafer in here, and at the back of the sole it says Tod's for another extra added detailing. And the heel size is also very good. It's not too big and also not too thin, so it's a perfect balance. Has a very nice sole, And speaking about the sole, what I really love about the sole, it has these rubbers. Now, if you look at Tod's loafers, the Tod's moccasins, if you would call them, they are very well known for the rubbery soles at the bottom. I'm sure you guys have seen it. I'm going to throw some pictures on the screen. Those rubbers are basically similar, inspired on these soles, but the rubber of these is more flat, whereas the kind of suede ones, they're more like kind of sticking out, whereas these rubbers are more flat, and also if you put your finger on it, it's kind of very harsh, the sole in here, which makes the gripping point on the ground very good. So it's very sturdy and it grips onto the ground very nicely and securely. So this is the main focus of the shoe, because sometimes I've noticed with loafers in the past, which I had, they're very slippery. Now when I was wearing them, I was just slipping every 2 minutes, and I was slipping and slipping, and it was just embarrassment. Whereas with these ones, I'm sure I will be protected on the ground and I won't slip or fall down basically and embarrass myself in front of everyone. So this is what I really like about these loafers. And you guys know that Tod's loafers are so colorful, so different, and it comes in a variety of materials, such as like the suede, the nubuck leather, I guess they sometimes call it, and also the classic kind of leathers as well. But the suede ones, I'm so obsessed. Like, I just want to own every pair of colors from the Tod's loafers, and they look absolutely amazing, and I cannot wait to build up my collection of Tod's loafers. But this one I have to start it off with the classic leather shoes. Now if you think of leather loafers, especially on these kind of Tod's ones, you might think that you can only wear them for professional work or for like evenings out, but I think that you can wear these loafers in different type of styles. So I'm gonna definitely show you guys some styles I can style them these loafers with. So I got these shoes for my work, and I think they look absolutely amazing at work. So they're great work shoes. If you're looking for a pair of good quality pair of loafers or work shoes, I would definitely suggest you guys to go and check this one out. And I'm gonna show you guys some screenshots of how I would style them. For example, I can wear this with jeans. Definitely you can wear this with black jeans or just blue denim as well, like why not? And you can make these shoes very casual as well, with a casual everyday outfit, with a nice jacket or coat and jeans, and these loafers would absolutely look perfect. You don't have to wear them always with formal wear. Of course, you can wear them with suits and with blazers and with suit trousers. They would also look amazing. I'm going to also throw some videos as well on the screen how I would wear this and how it would look on the shoe itself. Now, I'm very particular how the bottoms or how the jeans and how the trousers fall onto the shoes, because you want to make sure that the trousers are not too long on the shoe and also not too short. So you want to make sure it's the right balance where you just about can see a little bit of your socks and your knee, not your knee, your socks only, and your loafers. So it's very, very important that you have the balance of the leg of the trousers very right, because if you don't, then it might look very weird and very different. As I said, guys, I got my loafers in a size 8, and these loafers, they retail for £330. Now £330, you will get a good quality pair of loafers from Tod's, and I think the prices are more reasonable. Definitely check out some sales which might come up on the shoes as well. So some stores, I don't know where they have sales on their boutiques, but the boutiques in London and Sloane Street and Bond Street, you'll find the Tod's shoes there as well. So if I can find these loafers, I'm gonna leave the exact link down below in the description for you guys to go and check it out if you're interested. But definitely check out your department stores, check out your boutiques. If you have a Tod's boutique in your area, then definitely go and check out the shoes. And also it's very important to try the shoes as well, because I heard the Tod's sometimes falls big on size. So if I'm a size 8, I might have to go one size down, half a size down, so 7.5 or 7. But these are a size 8 and they fit me perfectly. So definitely try out a pair of Tod's before you purchase, because I heard that the Tod's fall big on size. Alright you guys, so this was it with this unboxing of the Tod's Gomma Leggero loafers. Hope you guys all enjoyed this unboxing. If you didn't, please give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for more fashion content like these. If you enjoyed it, then definitely come and check out my Instagram, where I will obviously style the loafers on my Instagram and also give you some inspiration and some outfit ideas as always on my Instagram. I'm gonna leave a link also on my Insta down below as well. If you have any other kind of video suggestions you guys want me to film, or other kind of unboxing or reviews, do let me know in the comments down below as well. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you in the next one.